Well, here's another one of our beautiful Corvettes here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to take a look at this right now. And by the way, if you want to know the pricing and see beautiful detailed photos, just click the link right down below this video and it will take you to all that information on our website here. This is a beautiful 2009 Z51 convertible. My goodness, what an absolutely gorgeous car this is. It's black on the exterior, ebony interior, and that beautiful ebony convertible top as well. Under the hood, you'll find a 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $6,550 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes the power top, heads-up display, Bluetooth package, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, universal garage door transmitter, has a wonderful Bose stereo system with the in-dash CD changer there as well. It has a front input and it also has the steering wheel controls. Now, this vehicle has the Z51 performance handling package, dual mode exhaust, chrome Gumby wheels, OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows, power locks, power steering. Of course, everything on this vehicle is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. This car comes loaded with factory options, and this 2009 Corvette Convertible shows just 38,421 miles. It's in good condition, has a ton of added appearance accessories, and boy, can we make you a good deal on this car. The paint is in good condition, great shine. The convertible top is very good condition, and those factory chrome Gumby wheels are in excellent condition as well. The interior, you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, center console, very good to excellent steering wheel. Now, additions to this car include a full-width flush mount body color rear spoiler. It looks great. And it also has those aftermarket clear turn signal lenses. It has red brake caliper covers, window tint, red Jake sticker on the underside of the trunk lid, and it has the green interior lights. It has the mesh front grille, mesh fender vent grills, red fuel rail covers, and the red Jake sticker on the underhood fuse box, polished oil filler cap with Jake logo, and the polished radiator support, brushed aluminum alternator cover, the C6 logo, and those polished intake manifold covers. This car absolutely looks great. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at our Atlanta showroom, and they'll help you with this car, and we can put this in your driveway less expensive in shipping than you could ever imagine. Remember, here at buyavette.net, all of our Corvettes are handpicked, and we are a business that we do sales online, and we make that something you can do with ease, but more importantly with confidence. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Give us a call today at 770-414-5552. We hope to hear from you real soon, or better yet, stop in and see us. Buyavette.net, Atlanta.